Hello everyone. So as you all know, the lady on this screen, her name is Sunshine. I am making this video to let you all know that she just passed on. Yes, on 28th she was complaining that she was having stomach bite. So she told me that she was having a stomach bite, which she told me about, and on the 1st it got worse and she was hospitalized, and a lot of scan was done and test was done, which the doctor said it was fibroid. The fibroid in her system has grown so big. So medication was going on at Orchard General Hospital. Yes, medication was going on and they were just putting her on pain relief without we knowing that the doctors are on strike. The doctors were not active. So when I arrived on the 2nd, because it was on the 1st that she was hospitalized, when I arrived, I noticed that there was no doctor and nobody was there with her. So there was no doctor. I asked one of the nurse, what is going on? Why is she still on pain? For like 2 days now, she has been here, she's still on pain. The nurse said the doctors are coming. Not until I found out that no doctor was there. I have to move her out from that general hospital to Havila Hospital, where I went with the scan result and all of that, and the doctor started from there and started treating her. Sometimes it will stop, sometimes it will start up again, and the doctor said we need to carry out the operation so that the pain will stop, which we later agreed on. The pain was getting out of hand. She have to just take it off, and she did the operation yesterday. According to the doctor, he said the operation was successful, but she had complications which led to her demise. So I'm doing this video to let you all know that the lady you're seeing on the screen, Sunshine Esther Thomas, is late.
Chat what? Chat GPT. You people should start making use of Chat GPT to ask some questions. If you are feeling somehow, right, in your body, or if those yeye people call themselves doctor over there tell una something, I beg, make use of your Chat GPT. He said the lady was complaining about stomach bite. Fibroid cannot bite. Fibroid doesn't cause stomach bite. Let us read it out from ChatGPT. Uterine fibroid are non-living growth made of muscle tissue. They don't have teeth, nerves, or the ability to bite or attack. What can happen if that fibroid may causes pain, pressure, or creeping, which can sometimes feel sharp or uncomfortable, but it is not a bite. If you are feeling sharp pelvic pain, sudden severe pain, bleeding, or discomfort, that is something to discuss with a doctor, but is not a cause of a fibroid biting. Fibroid ata. I just know waste this girl just like that. Unprofessional doctors just waste into this girl. If a woman has a fibroid, these are the things you will notice in your system. Number one is heavy. When I mean heavy, excessive, over heavy, overflow bleeding. That is number one. Two, sometimes you feel pressure on your pelvic, frequently going to toilet to go and wee because of fibroid can press on some organs. Another thing again where you could feel, sometimes your stomach will just be bloating, unable just unnecessarily. Sometimes you have difficulty in eating a large amount of food because of fibroid. If you have gastric, it can be worsening it. But saying that fibroid na atagi painful fibroid ihe fibroid na-eme bụ ịdị na-amị gị ọbalazin ọbala na-amụ gị bụ na ọma na-eme gị na bleed so much. Sometimes you may feel pain in your pelvic. Sometimes you may feel pain at behind your hips or your hips. But this severe pain will claim this girl life is not fibroid. Quote me anywhere, it is not fibroid. I be see this picture of this girl say she went to fibroid surgery. She couldn't survive it because of complications and all that. Fibroid. Before more than one a fibroid, only says ike. Yeah, it just be like say person give a born pikin through CS. A fibroid operation is not that too complicated. That's now. When we say complication, only if na eme that we go na appendix be na eme that girl. It could be say na appendix na eme. Ndị a megide ihe appendix gbawana ya n'afọ the girl anwụọ. It could be the girl was suffering from appendix and we come mother. Ogo na ogo afuno fibroid barely of course so many black ladies now with fibroid. So many black, it is in our gene. A lot of and the can meditate my own fibroid. When I newly got pregnant for my first son, Mata Biono, that was when they detected that I had fibroid. Age my own fibroid. My son is almost an adult age. That was when they detected that I have fibroid. No, my own fibroid, I'm even planning to go and remove it because on a amazing na a bleed a lot. But to say that now fibroid is biting, it's crucial biting, not biting it to you on a pen. That's now bro fibroid booty girl. Or bro fibroid in the armor of the how just wrap if they made the gate, didn't fibroid aka before they know what is going on, what is happening to the girl, they wouldn't the girl. Negligence, unprofessional doctors. That is what we have in Nigeria. So many of them usually my exam malpractice to pass the exams. They don't know anything, nothing. Oh, if people should go and marry ChatGPT and ask questions. Oh, if I get delegate na lab results, please translate ya go ya. Oh, you know when this kind of excrucial pain is not for my own fibroid is all the two. My own is 9 point something cm. The other one is 4 point something cm. My brother's wife, her own fibroid is more than 4 kg. Twins. A made operation years back or survive voya. He said, oh yeah, that this modern age. Mother we want with fibroid because of complications. Although fibroid will not make you to have that excruciating pain that's now. As in hey, no na bakazigi to the extent of you being admitted in the hospital. Yeah, fibroid get megi or get megi one anemia because you lose a lot of blood. Fibroid get megi grow tummy, bloating stomach. It will not make you to eat food as many as you want. Any little thing I forget juna. Sometimes your pelvic ene bugimbu, your waist ene bugimbu. In no look ime doggy. Oh man, as in you man with the pants. That's all. But to this kind of explanation, this girl is not adding up. Justice for that girl. Justice for that girl. You the doctor I'm already if would girl. How rapple if I had the girl? Did you remember operation in here? Before I mind them any hand I had the girl they bone here. That's just the gospel truth. Utaka has to be Chimamanda. Just like that.